Head Harvester Bill Arman from the West Coast. I got a special guest today right here. Head Harvester Chris from St. Louis, Missouri. We're both here at NLAP conference here in Louisville, Kentucky. Now, Harvester Chris knows websites backwards, forwards, upside down, all that kind of, just a little bit, a whole bunch, folks. This guy's one of the best guys in the industry. He gives talks on it. He just gave a couple talks. He's going to do another one here. And we're going to talk a little bit today about your website and what some of the things you should be looking for to have a great or even better website than you have right now. So Chris, what would you say to the people out there listening to us right now? What makes a good what do you need to do in a website?
Well, I think a lot of times people forget that their website is a tool. They wouldn't buy their lawnmower, their skid steer, and then leave it in the shop or never change the oil, right? So your website's a tool, and it should be generating leads or recruiting people. And if it's not, your website's not being used properly. That's one of the biggest things I see in our industry.
I see a lot of websites, they don't have even pictures of people. Should they have people pictures in there and some of their work or testimonials?
It happens all the time where a company has switched to doing mainly commercial work, and then you go to their website and the front page has a home on it or a picture of their truck. Never put a picture of your truck on the front page. But yeah, your site should identify your client, what their issue is, what your solution is, what life looks like after choosing you. And if it doesn't, then your actual company message probably isn't getting across right.
How about testimonials from customers? Should that be on there? Should video testimonials be up there on your website?
Both video testimonials and even written testimonials. You can use your Google reviews, definitely. And then don't forget the employee testimonials as well, because that's a big piece of recruiting, which is a massive issue that we're all facing right now.
So how else can you use it for recruiting? What would you recommend?
Well, you can, if you're using a WordPress or like a HubSpot, you can have job boards, and you can link to recruiting tools like Indeed and other, popular tools out there. A lot of times they'll have widgets that you can install on the site to actually have a very professional job board and appearance for your job listings.
Widgets. So, wow, that's a word I think I might even understand.
Widgets.
You put a widget in it and do that.
Yeah.
So this guy, I tell you what, folks, if you need some help with your website, Chris would be happily volunteer to work with you, take a look at your website and see how you can make that better. It's a tool, isn't that right?
Yep, definitely a tool.
Change the oil. Super. Head Harvester Bill Arman from the West Coast with Head Harvester Chris. Now go out there and tune up your website.